Micro-animal videos are exploding all over the internet right now. And the best part is this is still a completely fresh niche. Barely anyone is doing this yet, which means getting viral here is 10 times easier than any other AI content niche out there right now. So let me waste absolutely 0 seconds of your time and show you exactly how to create these for free. The very first thing you need to do is grab the prompt from the description below. I have already written it for you, so you do not have to do anything yourself. Copy it, open ChatGPT and paste it straight in. Hit generate, and within seconds, ChatGPT will give you 10 unique and creative micro-animal ideas to choose from. Now simply enter the number of the animal you want to bring to life. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will instantly produce 2 things for you: an ultra-realistic image prompt and a video prompt, both completely ready to use. Copy that image prompt and head straight over to Google Flow. Select the image option from the top. Make sure all your image settings are turned on and paste the prompt in. Hit enter, and in seconds, Google Flow will generate a set of stunning, hyper-realistic micro-animal images right in front of you. Click on the image that looks the most cinematic and detailed. Hit the 3 dots and select Animate. Now jump back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt and paste it in. Hit generate. And just like that, your micro-animal video is completely ready to go live on the internet. Now watch another one I have created using the same method. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on the newest viral AI niches the moment they drop.